Welcome to the First Court Network. Settlement testing allows you to safely discover the size of the settlement gap between you and your opponent. It tells you how far apart you truly are, without undercutting the strength of your own negotiating position. This online tool is easy to use, requires no travel, consumes 18 minutes of your time, and can cost as little as $100 per party. The power of settlement testing stems from a simple fact: the negotiators using it can safely be honest. When one side enters a test number, it automatically feeds into our server. More specifically, the test numbers feed into 3 variable algorithms. We created and vary the algorithms to make it impossible to pin down a person's number, no matter how many times you use the tester. You can safely enter your most conciliatory numbers into the formula because the other side never sees your numbers. Only the algorithms see them. The algorithms compare the 2 test numbers then on the table and communicate that settlement gap to you through a graphical tool that looks like a meat testing thermometer. The warmer the temperature, the smaller the gap, and the closer you are to a meeting of the minds. Nothing in the legal world feels quite the same as watching your settlement tester start cold, then move to warm, to warmer, and then to hot. This kind of progress saves your client from an enormous amount of stress. It lightens your workload. It inexpensively opens a door between negotiators, giving them a safe way to talk with one another very early in the life of a case. And it proves that every now and then, honesty actually is the best policy. It costs nothing to invite the other side to consider settlement testing. Just fill out this simple form. First Court will explain the process and schedule your testing session at a mutually agreeable time. Note too that settlement testing is now available in cases with up to 20 defendants. We obviously schedule extra time for such cases. And one last practical suggestion: before testing for settlements in any real dispute, we suggest you get certified with us. This will ensure you hit the ground running and that you know how the website works and exactly what to do in your first testing session. Certification will also save you 50% on your testing fees. The online course takes about half an hour, and it can be scheduled by emailing us at any time. You may have questions about settlement testing. If so, please go to our website and look through the white paper. It answers the questions we are most frequently asked about the testing process. To summarize, settlement testing is easy to use, requires no travel, consumes 18 minutes of your time, and can cost as little as $100 per party. It allows some cases to be resolved in a quick phone call. And testing allows us to generate creative settlement plans for resolving tougher disputes without wasting a moment of your time or a nickel of your money. Our hope is that settlement testing allows you to quickly settle every single one of your cases, as soon as each case is truly ready to be fairly resolved.